trading square alphabet, a number square, pop it, going once, going twice. Any offers? Ew, me. I'm the same girl from last time, and I really need this for my collection. Okay, but you're not getting your hands all over this. This is really expensive, and it's over the board. Oh my god, I know what to get for this. I don't have these dumb things. Wait, it's a package arriving. Let me go see what it is. Oh my god! It's a push pop! And it comes with 10. You know what? I'm gonna go give it to her. Okay, I'm back and I'll give you 10 push pops. Oh my god, that's my dream. I'm taking it. Except, oh my god, this is so nice. Okay, let's see. Who am I gonna trade to? Looks like it's you. And no, it's you. Okay, I'm trading this now. It's a haircut. Trading pink spiky hair clip. Going once, going twice. Any offers? Ew, me. I want. Oh god. Well, I want. Oh, there it is. Okay. Redo. Okay. I will. This is my favorite thing. Okay, what's your offer? You know what? I will be right back. Okay. I can't turn on the lights. Hold on. There we go. My secret stash. I was hiding in there. 20 push pops and really see out for it. Okay. I dropped it in. I need to give this to her. What took you so long to just give me this? Okay, I'll give you 2 push pops. OMG, deal. Finally. Let's put it in my hair. Oh, great. Now I literally got 30 push pops. You know what? I'm going to sell them for so much. Trading 10 push pop packet. Going once, going twice. Any offers? I would. Oh my god, are these for sale too? Yeah, sure. They're for sale. Oh, jeez. I would take all of them for free. Please. No. You're gonna have to give me something first. Okay, I'll be really right back. I got money, but it's not. I can trade for what's in there. I just pretend. Yeah, and then should go like this. There's something else that. Maybe this and this. Okay, I'm back. What cookies? Oh my. Is this a crystal shaped pig? What is it? It's a horse. And I got it. And this is so pretty. And this, oh no. I will make sure. Oh my god, thanks. Oh my god, wait. What's over there? Wait, she took it out from there. She scared me. He's back over. You get back here. It is not over. Bye.